everyone. In this video, I will discuss the latest hybrid sports car from Bugatti, which is predicted to replace the famous Bugatti Chiron. This is the Bugatti Tourbillon. The Bugatti Tourbillon is a mid-engine hybrid sports car produced by French automaker Bugatti. It was introduced on June 20th, 2024, and will replace the Chiron. Here are some things to know about the Bugatti Tourbillon. Design. The Bugatti Tourbillon combines the Bugatti designs introduced in the Veyron and Chiron with the designs of Bugatti's historic cars such as the Type 57 SC Atlantic and the Type 35. 2. Engine. The Bugatti Tourbillon is equipped with Bugatti's first plug-in hybrid engine, an 8.3-liter NA V16 engine. 3. Production quantity. The Bugatti Tourbillon will only be produced in 250 units. 4. Delivery. The first deliveries of the Bugatti Tourbillon to customers are scheduled for 2026. Price. The Bugatti Tourbillon is priced at £3.2 million plus local taxes, or more than $4 million. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.